In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a church planner calendar in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized planner you can update quickly and share with your team. Start by opening your desktop browser and heading to Google Sheets. Create a new blank spreadsheet so you're working with a fresh canvas. We'll keep this simple and flexible so it works for weekly services, special events, and ministry activities. At the top of your sheet, create 5 column headers: date, event, ministry, time, and notes. Type each header into its own cell across the first row. This structure keeps your calendar readable at a glance. If you like, make the headers stand out with bold text or a light background color so it's easy to see where the table begins. Now begin entering your church activities and events on separate rows underneath those headers. In the date column, use a consistent date format so everything sorts neatly later. In event, write a clear title, like Sunday service or food drive. In ministry, note the group responsible, such as worship, youth, or outreach. In time, add the start time or a range, for example 9 o'clock a.m. or 6:30 to 8 p.m. Use the notes column for details like locations, speaker names, setup needs, or reminders. The goal is to capture enough information so anyone reading the sheet knows what's happening and how to prepare. To keep the ministry or event fields consistent, add drop-downs. Click the first empty cell in the ministry column, then select Data in the menu and choose Data Validation or drop-down. Add a list of ministries you commonly use, separated by commas. Apply that validation to the rest of the column so every row uses the same options. You can do the same for event if you have recurring types, like service, meeting, rehearsal, or outreach. Drop-downs help prevent typos and keep reports tidy. Finally, apply colors to distinguish events at a glance. The simplest way is to select a row or a cell and use the Fill Color tool to choose a color for a particular ministry or event type. If you want it to update automatically, use conditional formatting. With the ministry column selected, open Format, then Conditional Formatting. Create a rule-like text, contains worship, and assign a specific color. Repeat for other ministries. This creates a visual legend across your sheet, making it easy to scan your calendar. That's it. You've created a clear, color-coded church planner in Google Sheets with structured columns, reliable drop-downs, and readable entries. Keep updating it as events come in, and your team will always be on the same page.